Hi, I'm Alan O'Neill, owner and president of Abacus Plumbing Company, and here's another tip from Abacus.
It is extremely important that you employ only a journeyman or master plumber. This is your reassurance that your plumber has been trained properly and passed the necessary examinations with the Texas State Board of Plumbing Examiners. Always ask to see his or her license before contracting out any plumbing work. All of our plumbers are properly licensed, the majority of them being master plumbers. Call Abacus Plumbing. You can count on us.